In this short video, we will introduce the topics of gender and number, which are one of the biggest differences between English and Spanish. Even though this is a very practical Spanish course, we decided to include this short video to help you better comprehend the vocabulary that is going to be presented in the upcoming lessons. Let's start with gender. In Spanish, all words are categorized as either masculine or feminine, not just words that refer to people like chico or chica, but all other words, including words that identify things, animals, and places. All of them are assigned a gender, either masculine or feminine. A few words that are part of the masculine category are carro, teléfono, libro. And some words that are part of the feminine category are casa, computadora, cama. As you may notice, all words in the masculine category in this example end with the letter O, and all words in the feminine category end with the letter A. In fact, a big majority of words in Spanish end with the letter A or the letter O, so this will help you recognize the gender of a large number of them. Now let's move on to our next topic, number, or in other words, whether a word is singular or plural. For words that end with the letter O, like carro, all we need to do is add an S to make it plural. The same goes for words that end in A, like casa. We add an S to make it plural. The two previous subjects of gender and number lead us to the articles, which can be thought of as cue words that are placed before words that describe things, places, or people, and they let you know if the word that follows is masculine or feminine, and also whether it is singular or plural. These are the four articles used to identify words as part of the masculine category. And these are the four articles used to identify words as part of the feminine category. These four articles, two in each gender category, indicate that the word that follows is singular. And these four articles, two in each gender category, indicate that the word that follows is plural. Notice that all the articles that are used for plural words end with the letter S. As we mentioned before, the articles are placed before things, places, or people. In this example, let's see how they translate to English, so we can have a better idea of what they are. These four articles translate to the in English. El carro would translate to the car. Los carros would translate to the cars. La casa would translate to the house. Las casas would translate to the houses. Let's look at the other four articles. The ones on the top translate to a, and the ones on the bottom translate to a few. Un carro would translate to a car. Unos carros would translate to a few cars. Una casa would translate to a house. And unas casas would translate to a few houses. Try to spot these articles throughout this course to help you determine a word's gender and number.